Hey guys, Chris here, Parts Breakers Jeeps Unlimited. Here we have a 93 XJ with that high output motor. This motor is not good. We're gonna put it in the core pile. So if you guys are looking for core motors, something with a good block still, go ahead, let me know. But we're actually making this video for a customer out in Colorado Springs, just so when they get this, they can see how everything dresses up. We'll obviously get them a good motor, but everything else, ECM, wiring harness, gauges, all of that stuff, so they can kind of see where everything goes. I'll couple it with some photos as well as seeing that overall the system does work. So what we like to do is we kind of do this stuff so that way when we ship it off to the customer, in this case we're hand delivering it to a shop, it's a whole four-wheel conversion for a Comanche, a whole new motor, wiring harness, ECM, transmission. They're going from internal to external, all that stuff. And the gentleman I'm making this video for, he's gonna be like, yeah, I know all this stuff, I was the one that ordered it. The purpose is to just show you that this stuff is working. You can hit it, Jerry. Cool, thanks, Jerry. Here. So as you can see, this guy, see we still got play in the gauges, particularly that one over there. Now you can see it has no oil pressure in that motor, so we're gonna go ahead and get a different one for that. But I just want to make this video to show you that everything that we're pulling out of this will work. We're going to pair it with the new motor and then have that stuff down there for you guys. I will get some photos together so you can see where everything sits, the way the intakes, exhaust, bracketry, harness, all of that stuff hooks up. And then pretty much everything in here minus this motor is going to be yanked out and put into this Comanche for this RENX to high output, 2-wheel to 4-wheel drive, and then BA10 to AX15 internal to external conversion. So if any of you guys out there, you watch these videos and you're planning on going ahead and taking care of some of this stuff for us, I'm going to unhook this real quick. You want to go ahead and do any number of those conversions that I just listed that we happen to be doing for a customer, go ahead, give me a call. And we try to help you guys on the front end as much as we can, so there isn't much back end work for you guys. There's not much guesswork, and get all this stuff taken care of. So if you see this, you're interested, give us a call, 303-666-9020, or find us at partsbreakers.com.